Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to try to start this EMT 533. 533. Yes. The clutch is here. Contact is here. This needs to be in parking mode, and here's the. Almost. Yes, we're doing it.
Samo da vidim ovo je sada. Ajde. Stop. Ajde u lijevo. Na hladni start. Opet desno. Pusti, kad neće onda samo pustiš.
It won't start.
Ajde probaj sad. Bog ti tu sjetim kod struja.
I'm holding the clutch. This is the throttle. Throttle needs to be 1/3 before starting it. Now it won't start. It won't turn on. These are the speeds. First one, second one, third one. It won't start. It's dead for now. We need to change the battery.